If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last lesson, we learned how to say, how about some eggs, milk, orange juice, and bread? 一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？ In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say, that sounds great. Of course, there are many ways to express that sounds great in Chinese. I'm going to teach you a very informal and authentic Chinese expression that sounds great. I bet when you say that when you visit China, people would turn around and think in their head, whoa, 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 this foreigner is very good in Chinese. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's get started. We're going to break down this sentence into two parts. The first part is made of the first three words. 听起来, that means sounds. Please repeat after me. 听起来，听起来，听起来。Now a little bit faster. 听起来，听起来，听起来。The second part is made of the last three words. That means good or great. 挺不错。Please repeat after me. 挺不错，挺不错，挺不错。Now a little bit faster. 挺不错，挺不错，挺不错。Now let's say the whole sentence together. 听起来挺不错。A few more times. 听起来挺不错。听起来挺不错。听起来挺不错。Let's practice what we have just learned in the conversation. What's for breakfast? How about some eggs, milk, orange juice, and bread? That sounds great. Please repeat after me. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。A couple more times. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。Let's do a role play this time. The sentences in blue are for the man. The sentence in white is for the woman. Please repeat after me. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。Please practice the role play a few more times after class and make sure to have fun. In the coming up 2 classes, we are going to learn how to say, my breath smells. I'm going to brush my teeth first. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and share this video. Better yet, subscribe if you haven't done so. I appreciate your support and see you next time.